Hello, this is NAVIFORCE watch. Unboxing the review time again. Today, let's have a look at what I have bring you today. First, we can see there is a guarantee card. We will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then this is this model, the manual book. We will see today. The model number is NF9024. It's a multifunctional watch. Okay. Then here is the watch today. Wow, it's a very nice watch. This NF9024 is the first LED digital watch in our NAVIFORCE brand since we established our brand, and it's the best sales in our store. Okay, then let me introduce to you the manual book. And this manual book, we will provide you 8 kinds of the language. We will provide you the English, the Espanol, the Portuguese, and others, the French, the Russian, the Dutch, and the Chinese. And okay, let's have to see more detail about this watch. First of all, please look at the screen here. Is the data for this watch. And as you can see, this dial, we can see there are 2 patterns combined in the middle of the dial. Here is the flat pattern, and here is the Paris studs pattern. It's a little like a woman, but not. It's a very fashion pattern since this model is made out. And as this is a multifunctional watch, I will show you how many the modes this model has, the function modes. Okay, we can see the English menu here. This model, we got 4 functions. Here, the first one is the timing mode, and the second one is stopwatch mode, alert mode, and time setting mode. If you want to know how to set every single function, next video I will show you and teach you how to set every single mode. And then let's have a look at the dial. In this window display is the time display. Here is the second display, and here is the weekly display. And now this SU means the Sunday, and it turns to the red color. And if here comes to a next days, the number will turn to the red color. Have close to see here. SU here means today it's Sunday. And okay, and around the bedshells we can see they are very nice, the small numerals here. And this is the 2 color combined, the orange color combined the black color for the bedshell. And this is a 2-layer case. So it will have a little thickness for the case. The case we use is the thin oily case. And then it's our watch band. The watch band we use is the stainless steel and use a very high quality polish process. It's very smooth and fashionable, the brand in that time when we create this watch. And then here it's the buckle for this model, and this is a double folding buckle. 2 steps to open this buckle first, and then press these 2 buttons together, and then open this model. Okay, I will try to on my wrist, and my wrist length is 14 cm, and so this style actually it's not very large. If some women want to wear this kind of watch, I think it's also very nice and very cool. Okay, this is a stock model of our brand, and these models we got 6 colors. Later I will show you all 6 colors. Okay, welcome back. These are all 6 colors here. Just now I have shown you the silver one combined black bedsheet and the orange colored watch. And then actually we have 2 glues of this model. This 3 one is all for the silver band, but the bedsheet is the black color. And this 3 one in upper, it's all black color with the black band color. And the bedsheet is different color combined with the white, red, and the orange. And this 2 is the orange bedsheet. This 2 is the red colored bedsheet, and this 2 is the white color bedsheet. Okay, the next color is the silver combined the black and red color bedsheet. This window is for time display. Here is the second, and here it's the weekly. It's a very high quality for this model. I will show you the details slowly. The crown design and 2 buttons. And also this is an LED watch. So press this button with button A. It is to turn on the light. Okay, the next color is the silver combined the black one. These 3 silver one, which one is your favorite? Okay, then is the black color. Here is the very smooth and dark color the watch band. Here is the buckle. Here is the NAVIFORCE logo on the buckle. It's It's a very simple color for this model. And okay, then it's a black combined red color. Okay. The last one is my favorite color. It's the black color combined the orange color bedsheet. I would like to put it on my wrist. Okay, here is my favorite color on my wrist, and actually my wrist is the length is 14 cm. My wrist length, and this is a men's watch, but the dial is actually not so large. So if some women you want to try this model, I think it's very nice too. Okay, this is all 6 colors here. If you want to buy this model, just search this model NF9024 in our official store, and you can find your favorite color. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to see the other kinds of video, please subscribe to our account and see more interesting video. Okay, this is all for today. Bye, see you next time.